Hi guys, we will see how to install McAfee Total Production in your PC. So if you already purchase McAfee Total Production, you can just download the McAfee and you can install it. And I'll tell how to uh, restore the subscription which you already bought. So first we will download McAfee. Just go to Google and type McAfee and go to official site. So here you can see lot of menu for home. For enterprises you can go to for home and you can enter into the sign in. So you have to log in with your credential, or you are the new user for that McAfee website. You can register the register with that website. Now I already registered with the website and I bought one 3 devices total production already. So now I am going to tell how to install. Just log in into the home account. You can see the address bar become home.mcafee. So in that you have to log in. So this is your account page. You can use it. You can install the McAfee in mobile laptop. So you have to select for which device you have to download the application. Now I am downloading for PC. Select PC and McAfee Total Production. So once downloaded, just double click on that and you can give permission to install. So now the McAfee installer has been started. So it will take time. It will take some time. You have to wait for some time. So it includes security center, virus and spyware protection, firewall protection also. Just click install. So each one will download and it will install in your PC. So it will just check the system whether it is capable to run McAfee. So it will take some few minutes. Now the installation has been completed. It took around 8 to 9 minutes totally. I am using 4G network. Still it took some 8 minutes just to install the application. So in the system tray you can see McAfee icon. So just click on that. So it is having some trusted antivirus protection, reliable performance, optimizer is there, and online privacy protections also there. Go to settings. So here you have to set how frequently it has to scan for a virus. So if you schedule that, during that time the system will be slow down, so you can make it as a no schedule. You can manually run that. So update also you can do it manually. So this you can do monthly or weekly. It will clear the cookies, everything. Save that. So your system is now protected with McAfee Total Protection. So in the my info you can see what is the expiry date for McAfee. So since you downloaded from your login, uh, so there is no need to do activation. It will automatically activate the application. Will you have any problem or any issue with installing the McAfee Total Protection, just provide your queries in the below comments, and please subscribe for the channel. If any new softwares or any technical update video I will post, it will be useful for you people. Thank you so much.